Hello parents. As a mommy-to-be, you may wonder how to make your unborn baby gain weight. Follow some of these tips to increase baby or fetal weight during pregnancy. A healthy and balanced diet. Diet plays the most important role in pregnancy. You should include fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, meat, and poultry in your diet if you wish to increase fetal weight. Include nuts and dry fruits in your diet. A well-balanced diet also constitutes nuts and dry fruits. You may eat almonds, apricots, figs, walnuts, and other nuts and dry fruits. However, it is recommended not to go overboard with them. Prenatal vitamins. You will be given prenatal vitamins for your baby's proper growth and development. These vitamins also help your baby gain weight. You should take these vitamins regularly for optimal fetal weight gain during pregnancy. Stay hydrated. Drink adequate amounts of fluids to avoid any kind of dehydration in pregnancy. Dehydration in pregnancy may lead to some serious medical complications. You may take fruit juices, vegetable juices, milk, buttermilk or water to keep your body well hydrated. Stay calm and positive. It is not only important to take care of your physical health, but also mental well-being. Any kind of stress and anxiety can affect you as well as your unborn baby's health. The resulting emotional outbursts may lead to overeating, undereating, or making wrong food choices. And all these may affect fetal health. Medical guidance. Your doctor will guide you in case your baby is not gaining a sufficient amount of weight. You may be told to take additional supplements or make dietary changes to increase fetal weight. The above-mentioned tips may help your baby gain weight during pregnancy. However, it is recommended to take your doctor's advice in this matter. Thanks for watching this video. If you think this video is helpful for you, then like this and share with your lovely friends who love this. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.